What's up guys, I won another junk drawer from eBay, and this is one of my favorite sellers. I always buy them if I can, because sometimes, like right now, the new one is going for around $700 and there's a couple of other ones goes over $1,000. So looks like you guys watching my videos and go bid them as well, because sometimes they go so expensive, it's crazy. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this junk drawers and go check them out, because the more popular there is, the more people will be selling them. That's what I noticed, and the more buyers will be interested as well. So that's kind of cool, and I get to do more videos. There's a little bit of a note. This is the junk drawer that I buy from. This is his logo on eBay as well. So yeah, let's see what's inside here. I really love the way he packaged stuff. Whoa, look at that, brand new toy revolvers. No way. Yo-yo, $3. That is cool. I think this is one of those light up. Where do people get that stuff? Jack Daniels, some kind of jar. Ooh, look at that. I love how it's separated into multiple boxes. There's another one. Oh, okay, there's books. Word sick puzzles, crosswords. There's another book about NBA. Cool. Whoa. Cowboys, kind of old beat up book. And wow, look how much. You have here very old school comics. 60 cents. Ah, there's some kind of mess on them. But some of them are really good. 60 cents. So what does the date say? 1962 comics. This is much older ones. Jerry Jones. Wow, there's so many comics this time. Love it. Building up the collection. 1979. Yeah, it could be 60. It's hard to tell, but look at that quality. That's cool. This is a newer one. A whole bunch of comics. Wow. Check them out. And pretty nice condition, most of them. So yeah, I'm actually now, because of these junk drawer videos, building a collection of it. And some vintage books as well. Touchdown tray. Cool. What is that? This is one of those pirate hats, you know what I mean? That you put it over. That's cool. I think it's from one of those restaurants. Couple more jar. This is empty jar. Very unique jar, that's for sure. Okay, that's a big junk drawer. Another book. Just wait guys, I'm gonna get to the good stuff. I mean, this stuff is awesome, but even better stuff. West Virginia, some kind of note. That is kind of cool. What does it say? The Aero Expansion Bolt Company. This is stock common, but it's been cancelled in September 11, 1964. But yeah, this is a piece of stock, piece of history. I kind of like it. I don't think I have any. Okay, and looks like a whole stack of children Bible. Wow. Cassettes over here and a book. That is old. Okay, let's zoom in on it, see what we got. Okay, first of all, Chinese tea. Obviously it's not going to be Chinese tea inside of it, but silver, maybe just a junk jewelry. I doubt this is silver because it's just adjustable rings. But what about this ones? All I'm looking for is sterling or ster or 925, something like that. Nothing on this one. Okay, this one has some kind of writings. That looks like a nail. That's funny. I don't know if any of those are sterling silver, but I like how it's presented in a jar. And let's see if we have any silver coins inside here. It might be. I'll have to really check if there is any super old, unique world coins. Because they don't worth much, but like 5 cents or maybe even less at the coin store. Oh wow, that we're gonna open up at the end. So you'll have to wait. That's all the good stuff inside there. Oh, that's so cool, musical instrument. Limited. Oh, no way, look at that, Yahtzee. I wonder if it works. But yeah, I didn't even know this Yahtzee game existed. That is unique. I'll have to check if it works. Okay, what else we have here? Ooh, more terrain matches. Shoe polish. Yep, that's what I thought it was. Oh wow, look at that. Vintage microphone. I guess it's a prop, would be cool. A flashlight, non-working. Probably dead batteries. It's super old anyways, look at that. They're stain, shoelaces. This is 100%, what do you call it? Junk door. Look at that. LSU trading cards, unopened. Put it into my trading cards. Don't know nothing about stickers. That's very cool, patches. Okay, there you go. What is this, a lighter of some sort? Oh, it's a perfume bottle, that's what it is. And it goes into here. Cool bracelet over here. Oh wow, paint opener. I just needed it. I was just painting a house the other day and I needed it. A basketball salt and shaker, salt and pepper shaker. That's hilarious. Whoa, look at these knives. Are they sterling silver? Doesn't look like it. Sometimes you're looking for sterling, 925 something. Okay, I see the writings over here. What does it say? International Silver Co. China. Even though it says silver, because it doesn't say sterling silver or store or 925, this is just a regular knives and they're worth pretty much nothing. Oh wow, look at that. These are stone cards. That's cool. More patches. That's pretty unique. Okay, another perfume bottle. I think this is one of those magic towel. Wow. I have put to the test few of them. I never seen design like that. It's a compressed towel. All you have to do is put some water and it will expand. Definitely a keeper. And there's something else in there, some kind of tag. Okay. What else in here? I love it. It's like mystery boxes because you can even look through everything on the pictures. Oh yeah, vintage erasers. Wow, that is super old. People collect those. So that is cool. I'm gonna have the biggest junk drawer ever of stuff. No way, it's working. One of those bigger lighters. More erasers. What's this? Sunglasses. Oh wow. Virginia. Look at these glasses. Look so old. Okay, a lot of lighters. Of course, don't have a wick and don't have the striker. Don't have the striker, but it's cool. This is super easy to repair. It's kind of thick. Okay, a couple more lighters over here. Okay, I see the spark. It says Korea. All we have to do is just fill it up. Let's see if it works. Ow. The fill. Oh no, it's not holding up the lighter fluid. Okay, a knife. I love knives, especially vintage ones. Pretty solid knife. Let's see who it's made by. Case XX USA. I think that's what it says on it. And there's the numbers. It's highly oiled up. And the blade is not beat up at all. So I wonder if it just kind of rusted out and somebody cleaned it up a little bit. But never been used. Could have been. Okay, one more junk drawer. What is this? Can unopened? People collect vintage cans like that all the time, especially the beer ones. I don't know how they kept it closed. Maybe oh, there you go. They popped it over here, drank it, and kept it as like a souvenir, I guess. That's a cool way to do it. survival bracelet over here. More baseball cards, unopened ones, and guess what? I'm not gonna open it because I feel like it will keep the wallet better. Bottle opener, untwister, and opener, yep. What is this? Can't even open it. Do I press it? Oh, it's a makeup thing. Wow, it's new. It's crazy. Another bottle opener. Bottle opener, love bottle opener. There's a whole bunch of, like, who has this kind of stuff? That's so funny. There's IKEA, there's Chevy. That's hilarious. Somebody pulled them off from the cars. Magic Brain calculator. What? That is cool. I don't know what it is. Look what it says. Custom. That is funny. Wow. Big candle for 2-year-old. Okay, I might keep that for my kids. Never have to buy birthday candles again. What is this? Hot Wheels. Cool. More Hot Wheels. I don't know nothing about Hot Wheels. People collect them, but I don't know if it's been opened, if it's been lost the value, but I don't know. Ooh, look at that camcorder. Check this out. That is a funny camcorder. Imagine walking around filming with this thing. It doesn't even flip all the way around. Yeah, it does. Cool. I guess it's a vlog camera from back in the day. Okay. There's a pickup truck. Very cool. Little flute. No way, look at the cell phones. Wow, AT&T. I can't believe it. People used to walk around with this. I mean, some people still do. Look at that, Samsung. It's not even a flip phone, it's like slide phone. So weird, I can't believe it. Okay, ooh, look at that. This is iPhone. Yeah, Apple headphones, brand new. That's a keeper. I don't know how much they value, but they're new. At least they look new. Huddle Hall. What is that? Oh, there's like vintage cards. That's kind of cool. Look at that, bunch of ducks. Hunting cards, I guess. I wonder if all of them are in there. Anyways, that's all fun, but let's see the best part about it. Is this, okay? First of all, we have here some paper money in silver, payable to the bearer on demand. I love that blue stamp. Oh wow, look at that. I think I already have one red stamp over here. Very unique. Another one. Old picture. I think Yugoslavia Bank. Another blue stamp. And what is that? That's a big bill. Very old, that's for sure, but I don't know what country this is. Very cool. Imagine having a wallet for money like that. Okay, put that to the side. What else we have here? Ooh, paper opening knife of some sort. And then, ooh, one more paper, never mind. One more paper. Kind of like it, it's some kind of ship on it. Don't know where this money from, because obviously I won't even understand what it says. But I'm gonna put it into my pile of paper money. Okay, first of all, most valuable thing in this junk drawer is this 1 gram gold. They don't even make it of this color anymore. They have changed their design and everything. Pretty cool. Okay, what do we have here? 5 cents, 1954. Cool, generic. I don't even know why they're inside of these cases. It's nothing super epic, but still pretty cool. 1958p. Okay, that one is kind of cool. This one is 1981 proof. 10 cents. That's some money in it, so I'm gonna put that one for sure as a keeper. It was part of the set of some sort. Another 1 cent. And then there is a 90% silver, 1940, 1962, 1944, pretty common dates. Okay, what else we have here? 1937 Mercury Dimes, 90% silver, Working Liberty, 1936. Ooh, look at that. A Morgan dollar, 90% silver, 1921. So good quality, but it's not shiny or anything. So yeah, probably melt value of that is $20. 1942. Melt value of these things are $2-3 I think right now. But again, silver is really high right now, but it can go up. 1948, 90% silver, and Indian head, 1934. Cool. Super cool. I always have fun unboxing these junk drawers. Definitely better than mystery boxes, because mystery boxes, in my experience, I got screwed over quite a few times. So it's all action. You decide how much you pay. Sometimes you can luck out and pay a little bit of cheaper and get a great deal. Sometimes you have to bid up over $1,000 to get this thing. It depends how many people want this thing. They're becoming more and more popular. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this junk drawer? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.